Hello everyone, are you feeling that your iPhone is stable or unstable? Does your iPhone feel sluggish? Have you ever wondered why your phone lags? Slow performance. Maybe it's time to clear the cache. Briefly explain that cached data can take up space and affect your device's performance. First, clear Safari cache. Step 1, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2, scroll down and tap Safari. Step 3, tap Clear History and Website Data to clear cached data from Safari. Next, clear App Cache. Step 1, in Settings select General. Step 2, click iPhone Storage. Step 3, find the app you want to clear cache for, e.g. Chrome, Twitter, TikTok. Step 4, select that application. When you find that application, iPhone will give you the option 1, Offload App, 2, to completely delete that app. I think for rarely used applications, you should choose the first way to reduce the download of that application. As for applications you no longer use, you should choose to delete the app completely. Finally, please confirm according to the instructions after operation. Conclusion, encourage viewers to keep their iPhone running smoothly. The junk you delete will help your iPhone last longer, operate smoother, and especially it will help your battery last longer by reducing energy consumption. Thank you for watching and see you again on channel AnHome Tech.